tell, it's kind of blurry there with the sun lighting. It's a very windy day. We're trying out those Whisker Seeker rods, 38-inch rods. See what happens. All we're using for bait today is some good old night crawlers, and I hope you guys can hear me. It is a very windy day. We're having wind gusts up to like 20 to 30 miles an hour, and it is very bad. If you can see the water, the current flows that way, but it looks like it's going that way. That's how strong the wind is blowing. Like I said, this is what we're using. This is new to me, the garlic scented night crawlers that you can find at Walmart, and they're almost $5 for 18 of them. I remember when these were about $2 and some change for 24 of them. They went down in night crawlers in the count, and the price went up. All right, we might have something on this rod here. I'm not sure. It's been going off. I'm not sure because the wind is really strong, but I did hear it do an awkward noise with the bell. So maybe there is something hooked up. I'm not sure. Let's check it out. Let's go. Oh, buddy. Oh, no. He's here. The wind is strong. You do got a fish on the line. Yeah, buddy. Little sucker fish. There we go, guys. With the Whisker stick rod, 38-inch, medium heavy. There we go. Finally. Woo! There he is, guys. Sorry for the wind. You guys can barely hear me. It is a very windy day, about 25 to 30 miles an hour. And there it is. Oh my God, this is awesome. All right, guys, I think we might have another one. You hear that? It's making the bells go off. There you go. It's biting. We're using those garlic night crawlers, and hopefully we can get a fish here. That's that same rod. I just threw this out maybe 3 minutes ago. We got to set the hook. I am using some J hooks. There we go. There we go. Yep, it's on. Let's go. It's probably another sucker. It's either a sucker or maybe a bullhead. Nope, it's a sucker. It's a sucker. It's a small one from before. These are good catfish bait. I don't know if you guys can see that. Let me get down a little bit. Yep, another little sucker, guys. Freaking awesome. I should be saving these guys to go catfishing with. Oh man, let's go. Here we go. There you go, guys. Awesome. Beautiful little sucker. These guys they're just a beautiful fish. They're bottom feeders. Look at their mouth. I don't know if you can see their mouth here on the camera. It's a beautiful fish. Kind of ugly, but beautiful, if you guys understand what I'm saying. Awesome. Well, there it is, guys. A nice beautiful sucker fish. Give me a kiss. Give me a kiss. Yum, 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 yum. Beautiful fish. It's going back though. All right, here we go with the release. This is number 2 for the day. Some awesome creek fishing here in northern Illinois. I should be using these guys for catfish bait. But today's your lucky day, guy. You are going back into the water. Bye-bye. And there he goes. Today, guys, I just want to show you guys my setup. It's just a Whisker Seeker rod. This here is the medium heavy 38-inch. It's almost like an ice fishing rod, but it's not. I mean, you can use it for an ice fishing rod if you want. Like I said, it's 38 inches. Here I got this is a Penn reel. It's a Penn. Here, let me get this. Penn Pursuit 3 with the HT. If you guys can see that real quick. I don't know if you guys are gonna be able to focus on that or not, but it's a HT100 drag system. Very good reels for the money. This is a 3000 size reel that I paired up with the 38-inch Whisker Seeker rod. Freaking awesome. I love them. Absolutely love them. Fish on. Fish on, I think. Let's check it out. Maybe it's that one. I don't know. Check out the action, guys. Check out the action. The action, let's go. Another sucker fish. I would have had 3 catfish baits with this guy right here. Woo! Let's go. All right, ladies and gentlemen, another sucker fish. This guy is number 3. Beautiful fish. Like I said in the previous video, kind of ugly, but at the same time, it's a fish. Nice white underbelly, beautiful fish. It's kind of windy. He's getting kind of dry and sticky. I want to put him back in the water really quick so he doesn't, nothing happens to this guy. Oh, should be using him as cut bait, but I'm not going to do that today. We're going to throw this guy back. Here's the release. Thank you, buddy. There he goes. All right, I think this one here, this one might have a fish. This one might have a fish. I'm not sure, but one of these two gotta have a fish. Let's go. This one might, I'm not sure. Uh-oh, do I feel a hit? We're gonna set the hook here, guys. I think I feel something. No, nothing. It might be this one over here. I'm not sure. But this one was getting hits. They took my dang worm. They liked this worm. Look at that. This was a hook filled with night crawlers. We're going to have to rebait that one real quick. Let's check this one here. Hopefully this one has one. This one has one, guys. This one has one. Yes, sir. Oh, it came off. No. That rod right there might have one. One of these. Again, the fishing's turning on. And I think I seen this one go off. It's kind of hard to decide which one's going off with all this wind. But we're going to give this one a tug. We're going to set the hook and see what happens. Okay, okay. We're on again. There's probably another sucker fish. Let's go. Yep, another sucker fish here, guys. Let's go. Now I'm okay with this guy. We've been catching these guys all day. This is number 4 for today. Number 4 suckerfish. Awesome. And there he is, guys. This is perfect catfish bait. I should be saving these guys. I should be saving them and putting them in a bucket, but I don't have a dang bucket. Oh well, it's gonna be another day to catch these guys. Alright, guys. I'm gonna get this guy back in the water. He is bleeding a little bit from the mouth. These fish are fairly strong fish. They got a lot of muscle to them. And I believe they're really perfect catfish bait. But we're gonna put this guy back in the water so he can live another day. There you go, buddy. I think we got number 5 right there, guys. Number 5. It's most likely another sucker, but it's okay. We're catching some fish. Oh yeah, buddy. Oh yeah, buddy. Ooh. Come here. That's the bigger one. This is probably the biggest one I've caught yet. Oh yeah, buddy. Biggest one yet. There he is. This is the biggest one so far. This one's probably a pound and a half, maybe 2 at the most. Awesome fish. Another sucker fish. That's number 5 for today, guys. Awesome. Woo! Alright, guys. Time to let this guy go. This is number 5. We're going to put him back in the water. Awesome. Underbelly. Nice and white. Healthy fish. Bleeding a little bit from the hook set, but he'll be okay. Let's go check that. Let's go check that one right there. Oh yeah, buddy. Oh yeah, buddy. Bam! Another one. That's a small guy. Little sucker fish. You guys see that? This is number 6. This is awesome. I should have brought a bucket. This is number 6. Another sucker fish, guys. Dang, I should have brought my bucket. I promise I should have brought my bucket. But this is number 6. Alright, we're gonna release this guy. Another sucker fish. Yum, 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 yum. Kiss me. Kiss me. We're gonna release this guy, guys. Awesome.